how to create Studio Ghibli style animation with ChatGPT. Now, you cannot create a whole animation with ChatGPT, but you can definitely create Studio Ghibli style images, which you can convert to GIF style or however you want it to do. For that, first of all, go to chatgpt.com and make sure that you're logged into your respective accounts. After you're logged into your account, you want to make sure you have got ChatGPT Premium because currently free users cannot use this feature. Now from the bottom of the prompt, what you actually want to do is select this option that says create image, right? So what you have to do is select create image. Now just type in to actually make a Studio Ghibli style art right there. So once you've done that, you can simply give the AI a prompt. Now if you want, you can use one of your existing photos to convert that into Studio Ghibli style. So you can give that photo and the AI will actually convert that into Studio Ghibli style art as well. So these are simply some of the methods on how you can do it. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.